Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 1823. Let's find the winner of the circular game, and in this there are n friends that are playing a game, and the friends are sitting in a circle and are numbered from 1 to n in clockwise order. More formally, moving clockwise from the ith friend brings you to the I plus 1th friend for I 1 less than or equal to uh, I oh sorry, it's that's for the index of for the range of I, and moving clockwise from nth friend brings you back to the first friend. Okay, so the rules of the games are as follows. We'll be starting from the first friend, and we'll count the next k friend in the clockwise direction, including the friend with which we have started, and the counting wraps around the circle and may count some number of friends more than once. Okay, and the last friend we have counted leaves the circle and loses the game, and if there are still more than one friend in the circle, we can have to go back to step 2, starting from the friend who immediately clockwise of the friend who just lost and repeat it. Okay, else the last friend in the circle wins the game. Okay, and then this will be given the number of friends n and an integer can we have to return the minimum, winner of the game. Okay, for example, in the first case we are having this. So my case 2, what I'll be doing is I'll be moving from 1. I'll be starting from 1, 1 and 2. Okay, so I have to remove 2. Then I'll be starting from 3. Then I have to 1 and 2. Then I have to remove 4. Then I'll be starting from 5. Then 1 and then 2. Then I have to remove 1. Then I'll be at 3. Then 1 and 2. I have to remove 5. At the end, I'll be having just one winner, that is 3. Okay. So for now, what we'll have to do is we'll be creating a kind of a list, you can say, that will be a circular list on which we'll be performing the operation. Okay, let's have a list of integer. Let's call it circle. That is equal to a new array list. Okay, now what I'll be doing is I'll be updating this array list as for int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. I'll be doing a circle dot add I. Okay, now while my circle dot size is greater than 1. Okay, what I'll be doing is okay, and let's have a variable index also to keep a track of which we have to remove. And index which is currently 0, we are setting from the index 0, the person is 1. Okay, yeah. Now we'll be having the next index we have to remove, that is next id, that will be equal to my index, current index, plus k minus 1 to make it 1 makes indexing mod circle dot size. So the circle dot size. Okay, so the person will be at present at this index will have to remove it. So circle dot remove in next index. Okay, and like now the indexing will be shifted backwards, and we'll be updating my current. I'll be updating my current index as my next index. Okay, and then I'll be just returning circle dot get 0. Okay, and now let's give it a run. Yeah, and it's accepted, and we'll submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.